Hello and welcome back. This is Amin, top rated Google Ad specialist. I'm making Google Ads tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, I'm going to share you the audience section of Google. There has a three type of audience: affinity audience, in market audience, live event audience. So what is affinity audience? If you want to promote your brand, if you want to increase brand awareness consideration, then you should target affinity audience. You want to get a sales, you want to get you want to sell your services, you want to get a sales your product, then you should target in market audience, high purchase audience. And live event audience, you can target live event audience also. Suppose if you have a cake businesses, so you want to sell cakes, so you can target live event audience. Besides, this is a cold audience, we can target custom segment audience, keyword specific audience, website they visit, website they already visited, and also app who already uses. And we also create a remarketing audience, that means the persons, the visitors already visited our website, we can target it, or we can make them as a remarketing audience. Customer mass audience, if you have a data, phone number, email address and name, then we can create a customer mass audience. And also we can create a similar audience, that is lookalike audience. If you run the Facebook ads, you know what is the lookalike audience. So in this video, I'm going to share you how to I'm going to share in Google Ads account. Let's see the different type of audience. Okay, so if you click the audience option, then here you will found a browse option. Okay, so here you can see detail demographic audience. So here you can see parental status, marital status, employment status. That means this audience is live event audience. Here you can see affinity audience. Here you can see banking, finance, wellness, etc. You can search anything and you can find out. Okay, so here you can see in market audience. Here you can see how your data segments custom audience, and also your combined audience section. So here you can see target properly, then you can create an audience. And if you want to create a and if you want to get a custom create a custom audience, retargeting audience, then you have to set up first how to set up retargeting. I will make another video, but in this video I'm not sharing how to make a retargeting audience. But if you create a retargeting audience, then you will found here. Okay, so I think this video is very helpful to understand about audience section. So if you are the beginner, then you will get three audience: affinity audience, in market audience, and the live event audience. Okay, so you can get started when you run campaign and lots of visitor visited website, then you can create a remarketing audience, custom audience, then you can run ad. So thank you so much for watching this video. Need help, let me give me message on WhatsApp. And if you want to hire me, then give me message. I'm working as a freelancer. Thank you.